Hi, I'm Jessica. I work in troop support at Girl Scouts Western Oklahoma, and today I'm going to show you how to do your own DIY lava lamp. This is an experiment that is part of our Brownie Home Scientists. It can be step number 3, learning about density. So any of our brownies that are with us can go ahead and earn step 3 of their Home Scientist badge today. The supplies that you're going to need to do this experiment are going to be just a glass of water, some vegetable oil, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, a clear glass, something to stir with, and some food coloring. So first we're going to start by just adding some food coloring to our water. Mine is gel food coloring, so I'm going to need to stir this up a little bit to get it all mixed together. I chose green because that's my favorite color, but you can choose any color that you'd like for this particular experiment and whatever you want, whatever color you want your lava lamp to be. Okay, so once we get our food coloring all mixed into our water, we're going to pour it about 1/3 or so of the way in our glass. And then next we are going to add our vegetable oil, and we're going to fill that up to the top. Okay, so as you can see, we have our oil that is separated up top, and then our colored water, which is separated at the bottom. In this experiment, we see that our oil is going to be less dense than water, so that's why the oil is floating up to the top and the water will remain on the bottom of our glass. This is kind of a lesson in density. So density is a word we use to describe how much space an object or substance takes up in relation to the amount of matter in that object or substance. So another way to put that is that density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. So if an object is heavy and compact, it has high density. So we see here that our oil and water don't mix together because of something called intermolecular polarity. Intermolecular polarity means that our water molecules are attracted to other water molecules and our oil water molecules are attracted to other oil molecules, but the oil and water molecules aren't attracted to each other. So then you see this effect here. So next we are going to add our Alka-Seltzer tablet to see what happens when we add an additional element to our oil and water. We're going to just plop that right in there, and you can start to see it dissolve, and our bubbles are happening here. So as the Alka-Seltzer tablet starts to dissolve, we see our colored water is going to start rising to the top to make a lava lamp kind of effect. So I'm going to add another Alka-Seltzer tablet and really get it going to see if we can start seeing it here. Okay. So the Alka-Seltzer tablets we can see are denser, and so they floated to the bottom and they have more mass than our oil and water. So as our Alka-Seltzer began to dissolve, it created a gas which helped the colored water rise to the top. And when it reached the top of the gas was released, and you see the water droplets fall back down to the bottom to make our DIY lava lamp effect in our glass. And so now that our Alka-Seltzer tablets have completely dissolved, we're kind of seeing everything go back to a calm state, and our oil has risen back to the top and our water has floated back down to the bottom. So hopefully you like this experiment today and you can try it at home yourself. Thanks so much for watching.